Let's learn to speak English.
How about public transportation?
No, I prefer driving.
Do you like studying languages?
Yes, I find it challenging.
How about indoor activities?
No, I prefer outdoor activities.
Do you like art museums?
Yes, I appreciate art.
How about spicy food?
No, I can't handle spice.
Do you like solving puzzles?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
How about roller coasters?
No, I don't like them.
Do you like winter sports?
Yes, I enjoy skiing.
How about team sports?
No, I prefer solo activities.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I enjoy staying active.
How about gardening?
No, I'm not into gardening.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
How about attending concerts?
No, I'm not a fan of concerts.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I enjoy surprises.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer evenings.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's convenient for me.
How about cooking new recipes?
No, I prefer simple meals.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I love camping trips.
How about fishing?
No, I'm not into fishing.
Do you like attending parties?
Yes, I enjoy social events.
How about public speaking?
No, I'm not comfortable with it.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I'm fascinated by it.
How about board games?
No, I prefer video games.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.